Heavy Venture 3.4, only 222,000 miles, still going. Well, customer complains the van doesn't start and he died at the traffic light. So I hooked up the fuel gauge and see how much pressure we have. There, right there. And then I'm gonna test all the fuses. And, first, let's check how much pressure we have. Well, that's not a lot of pressure. Didn't even move. Let's double check. We have everything set up right. It's tight. One more time. I think we're gonna have a fuel pump issue. Nothing. Now let's do what we do best. Let's bang on the gas tank. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we have a fuel pump issue. Okay. Now let's check the fuses. And we have a fuse related. Fuse number 32 says fuel pump, and as we see, 32 is right here. So 32 will be this blue one right here. And it's good. Now for the fuel pump relay, number 14, which is this one, and that would be next to this. It's a 5-leg. Let's see if we have one, or let's see, 87 and 30. Have like this. So 87 would be this. '87 would be this one right here, and 30 would be this one. Now let's jump it and see if we got any response from the fuel pump. So we're gonna bypass it. Let's make sure we have switch on. And as we see, you can hear the fuel pump priming, but there is not enough pressure. So our next step, fuel pump.